Where is the battery in the Ford Edge new generation? And you can see that the battery is under the hood. It's here. To remove this battery, at first you will need to take off this cable. It's not easy to do because it's hidden and you don't have the space, to use any tool you will want to use. So you will need at first to take off this cable, not the whole system of this cable, but just one cable. You will need to unscrew this nut, and then you take off the plus, and then you unscrew this bolt and take off this metal bracket, and then the battery will move a little bit here, and then you will be able to do something with it. You will be able to take off this OEM battery just like this, but if you buy the same size battery, not OEM but aftermarket battery, you will not be able to insert it. You will need to take off this box. This is the air filter box, and you will need to unscrew this bolt, and I suppose you will need to just take this top plastic cover of this filter, and then your new battery will go in and go out. But if you're using the OEM battery, it will be completely okay. You will take it off, but just do it carefully, not to damage this box, because this part will cost you quite a lot of money. You'll be surprised.